layers.
Okay, it's working. We're live now.
Jellyfish. It was super cool, and you can see the little bioluminescent like cilia. Yeah, it was cool. We
So
saw
what's
big
going on in
jellies.
here?
Oh.
Jesse, who are we with?
We're with some of our colleagues from Colorado State, Lauren and Aaron.
Hi.
So what are you two researching here?
We are from the chemistry department at Colorado State, and we are looking at aerosols in the Arctic, and we're looking at number and size distribution of aerosols as well as chemical composition. So we're looking both at the concentration of them and also the particle flux. So thinking about how how particles get deposited onto the bare grounds and also to snow. And so we have Aaron's running this awesome eddy covariance type system with looking at size distributions and black carbon.
Yep.
Can you show me that? Okay, let's try again.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see if we can keep the signal here.
So these are two of the main instruments that are going into our eddy covariance flux system. So this is our SV2, or our single particle spectrometer. So it'll measure our black carbon. And then this is the ultra high sensitivity aerosol spectrometer, and it will give us number, concentration, and size distribution of aerosols. So we'll get size dependent flux and